Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading Equalizer Apo and running the installer as administrator. Choose your playback device carefully during setup so the Apo attaches to correct outputs. Restart Windows immediately to finalize driver changes and allow the Apo to initialize. Optionally, install Piece GUI for a user interface that simplifies preset management and parametric filters. Open Piece and confirm it detects Equalizer Apo, then save a baseline profile. Keep the configuration editor window for advanced edits and device bindings. Begin by creating a new profile for the specific hardware you will tune. Add parametric filters with frequency, gain in dB, and Q value for surgical adjustments. Use high and low shelf filters for broad tonal balance and bandpass for corrective work. Apply a preamp reduction in decibels to avoid clipping when large boosts are present. Save separate profiles for headphones, speakers, and streaming to match listening conditions. Label each profile clearly so you can switch quickly during testing. Validate changes by using test tones or room measurement tools like REW for accurate results. If processing seems missing, open Configuration Editor and verify the device bindings and installation directory. Enable logging to capture errors during driver load or DLL conflicts. For live monitoring, use lower latency drivers like a CO or WASAPI where possible and avoid exclusive mode conflicts. Export your working profile and back it up externally to preserve settings across.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.